And I now invite Ms. Atishi Marlena, Councillor and Member of the Legislative Assembly, National Capital Territory of Delhi, India, ICLEI Vice President and Vice Chair of the United Nations Advisory Committee of Local Authorities on Environmental Action, to make a statement. Madam, you have the floor.
Excellencies of the United Nations, ladies and gentlemen, I am here today as a representative of the Government of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, India, and as Vice President of ICLEI and Vice Chair of UNACLA. All of us present here come from different cities and countries, but face common challenges. How to provide our citizens high-quality public services while ensuring equity, ecological sustainability, and fiscal prudence. From the early 90s, there has been a growing belief that the provision of education, healthcare, water, electricity to all citizens is far too expensive, and that governments which provide these services to all citizens end up spending too much and going into debt. So governments, especially in the developing world, have started withdrawing from these services. Provision of water and electricity have been privatized. People face increasing tariffs. Education and healthcare have seen substantial reduction in government spending, causing the steady deterioration of government schools and healthcare facilities. While this may have improved fiscal management, it has led to increasing inequality. However, in the last 7 years in Delhi, a city of 30 million residents, we have shown that we can do both, provide high